Let me take a moment to introduce Mr. Praveen Jadhav to each one of you. He's a partner at ePositive Productions, where planning, execution, direction for corporate events, fashion shows, commercial shows, and religious events happen. He's also a partner at Mesmerize Creations that specializes in designing, execution, and managing wedding and social events. A partner with Stagecraft Productions, where they're responsible for event productions. And he's the proprietor at Megatech India, which deals with light, sound, and technical solutions for all types of events. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Hi. I guess most of the people are busy having a cup of tea and chai, getting refreshed. Well, my topic was hijacked long back. Most of the people have already spoken about future of events. So I don't want to continue with the same thing. I want to add on to the things. Sitting on my table, the whole day I was editing my presentations continuously because every session, most of the topic was getting covered and I don't want to do that. So I don't know how many people here are with the turnover below 5 crores or close to 5 crores. This session is concentrated more towards the people who are small and medium entrepreneurs or event managers. So if I going ahead with whatever is the turnover, let me say benefits for event industry in future. So if we talk about the benefits, rising disposable income and consumer demands. Since in major metro cities, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities, there are a lot of industries coming up, new IT companies coming up, so lots of employment is increased, and moreover, there is a lot of disposable income which is increased. That's the reason people would want to do some events, some personal events. A lot of people would want to do specialized events. Nowadays, people would want to spend on personal events as well. Second is business are invested heavily into corporate events, conferences and exhibitions, MICE events to enhance brand engagement and reach. So nowadays, if you're looking at all these corporates, they've started investing more on these events because they want the employee engagements to the conferences, trainings, and a lot of other things because one, new startups, new industries coming into session, and again they want to retain and continue with the current team they have. So booming into personal events, I'll give you a small example. We recently did a 25th anniversary of a couple where they did not call any of their relatives. It was 7 of their friends, in fact, rather with their spouses who also got married in the same year. So 7 couples got married again in a resort. So only 14 people, but they made sure they had all those functions. What you do in a big event management, a big wedding. So right from having a mehndi to a sangeet to a saat fere, everything was done there. And trust me, it was in the outskirts of Pune, where transport to logistic, all those things were still they had no hassle, and a huge amount was spent. I don't want to mention the amount, but a good amount was spent over it. Growth in the small cities. I will not call Sambhaji Nagar a small city. Now it's grown up like anything. I've been doing events in when it was Aurangabad. Here we've done a lot of big weddings here. We've done a lot of corporate event. We have done recently one corporate event here also. But now looking at the venues, looking at the kind of venues are available and the clients are available, we are also attracted towards Aurangabad right now. Hybrid events, AI, AR and VR kind of events. A lot of people would want to do hybrid events now instead of coming to the online or maybe coming to a venue and do it. venue and hospitality options are increasing. We were just talking, this is my first opportunity to come in a gateway, in the gateway, and I had never seen this venue. Now since I've seen it, it'll be a good opportunity for me to push it to my clients or suggest it to my clients. So such good venues are coming up, and which actually give us inspiration to suggest it to other clients as well. So venues are also coming up. Green events planning, I don't know how many people know it. Lots of in the south where flexes are banned. Even in Bangalore nowadays, very few people use flexes. They use satin prints as a backdrop and LED. So very soon we will be having digital and similar kind of backdrops and less of flex. So reusing would be mostly possible, and that is how we're going to actually save money also. We're going to build more profit by reusing. So sustainability is also a part of it. High earning potential for specialized people. Now a lot of people who are specialized into some kind of events. Now a lot of people are specialized into fashion shows. A lot of people are specialized only into social or weddings. Some people are specialized only into concerts. Such kind of people will get more highly paid in future only because of their specialization. The reason behind it, I mean, these were the benefits. Now let's come to the obstacles. Now these are very normal. We're going to face it. We are facing it now, but we're going to face it more in the futures also. Baby bloomers, I don't know how many people will agree with this. It's a regular thing. Sanabji had this topic before also. A lot of event management start. They work for a year. They end up shutting down that company in a year's time. But in a year's time, we lose a lot of business in competing with them. So such kind of things are also going to happen, and we cannot stop it. Everybody has a right to do a business. कौन ये लोग? Vendors turning into event managers. How many people agree to this? Almost everybody. We work with vendors, and suddenly we realize, अरे ये तो मेरा event था एक साल पहले, ये अभी we still have very faithful and very creative, very nice vendors. We still have it, but some of those vendors turn into event managers. We are facing a lot in at least Pune. I'm not sure how much is it happening in Sambhaji Nagar. घर बैठकर क्या करें, इसलिए event managers बन गए. This is also one big thing we've started getting, because now because of Cosmo families, some of the people, some of the family members are not able to work. So now they decide what to do at home. उससे अच्छा they think it's easy to do an event, और पैसा भी बहुत अच्छा मिलता है. ये myth थोड़ा तोड़ना पड़ेगा उनको समझ आना पड़ेगा. But वो घर बैठ के क्या करें? This is generally happening in social events. Most of the social events कि बहुत साल से घर पे बैठे बोर हो रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन साड़ियाँ या कपड़े बेचते थे, but now we going to start doing events. So this is what is going to happen more. Lot of reasons. शायद unemployment बढ़े AI के वजह से. Lot of people would want to sit home because the other person in the family is still making a big amount of money. So this may happen. Due to saturation in other fields, getting into events now, IT, lot of people. I've been teaching events since 2004. NIEM was there for 5 years. NIEM, Indian Institute of Event Management, then Times and Trends Academy for a longer time, and I had students who were doctors, software engineers, and they decided to quit their field and get into event management. One is, seeing those glamour industry, and second, again, attracted to the big bucks. They feel they're getting more money in events than their own field. Again, very frustrating part when it comes to weddings. Bride and groom's मैं वेडिंग मैनेजमेंट का भूत चढ़ जाना. I don't know how many people, but currently it's happening. We're doing lot of weddings. In fact, lockdown, we did 175 weddings during lockdowns. 25 people were allowed. 175 weddings किया, but उसमें भी उनका वो बहुत ज़्यादा ये था. And nowadays तो Pinterest ने काम बहुत बढ़िया कर दिया हमारा. Absolutely. In fact, nowadays we get a PPT from the bride with a mood board. इतना inferior feel होता है अंदर से कि my goodness ये कहाँ से आते हैं? What a dedication. And if you see those color combination, we want to ये काम ले नहीं ले, वो हरे के साथ लाल कैसा दिखेगा, बांग्लादेश दिखाई देगा, क्या देखा, you know, you're getting my point. Similar type of different choices they have and they want to do it. AI next event designer शायद अब तक हमने देखा है कि living room design हो रहा है अभी AI से. I'm damn sure they will start designing their stage, wedding stage also, and they will give us a picture कि ये कर सकते हो या हम ही कर लें. Climate change, this is a very, very, very big thing. We used to say Maharashtra is one good place where, you know, जितने मौसम है वो उनके टाइम पर आते थे. आजकल मौसम की चेंज हो गया सब कुछ. ठंडी के टाइम पे गर्मी हो रही है, गर्मी के टाइम पे ठंडी हो रही है, बारिश हमेशा हो रही है. न्यू ईयर को बारिश हो गई है. एंड दिस इज द वर्स्ट थिंग फॉर अस बिकॉज लास्ट मोमेंट चेंजेस. इफ क्लाइंट वांट्स or shade to be done, a covering to be done, which is lot of time not possible from our side, and then they think that we are arrogant, what we were discussing. So climate change is something which is difficult. Again, predicting a climate and giving a estimation to the client becomes very difficult. Now what to do? So innovation and technology very important now. How do we do it? We just discussed last moment 24 hours में shade तैयार करना है. Can we do it without a superstructure or a hanger? Yes, we can do it. We can use a box, a truss, roof trussing. We can do it. We have to adapt new technologies. We have to adjust to the new era. We have to make sure that we actually specialized into all these things, because if we don't want to stay behind, we want to be with the market, then we have to get with the innovation and technology. A lot of AI things are in now. Lots of robots are in who can act like an anchor. I'm so sorry, but somebody is going to steal your job very soon. The robots are in who can actually anchor the whole event. They go asking people, can I click your photographs, click and print and give it. Lot of things are happening. We have to adapt it, making it sure our anchors don't kill us. So such kind of things are happening. Lot of use of AI nowadays. In terms of presentations, we can use it. We can create something of that sort which can be used for presentations. Now technology, innovation and creativity. Event management के 3 स्तंभ. मैं वही चाहता था कि सबकी नींद उड़ जाए थोड़े से तो हंसे कम से कम. मोनोटोनस पीपीटी देख के बोर हो गए थे. कुछ तो मजा है. अमिताभ बच्चन का कम से कम एक बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ. ये मोहब्बतें मूवी. सूर्यवंशम नहीं, सूर्यवंशी क्या है? सूर्यवंशम ना, वो सोनी ने अभी फिलहाल वो. हाँ, okay, so innovation, technology and creative. Now specialization, again, as I told you, if we specialized, making it sure we will not tangle into each other's profession. If somebody is specialized into corporates, somebody is specialized into weddings, somebody is specialized into fashion shows and concerts, we will make sure that we will get what work we desire for, what work we specialize for, and we will get good and nicely paid. Like very nicely said, they are very much specialized into political events. If they're so specialized, they have done such a beautiful job, I'm damn sure other parties would also want to go to them and give the work. Because of their specialization, I'm damn sure they will get better paid and with no competition to them. Stand out with creative brilliance. What different can we do it instead of, fighting over estimates? This is the worst part in our industry. We are just fighting over estimates. कोई 1 लाख का कोटेशन दे रहा है, मैं 90 में करता हूँ, कोई 80 में करने को तैयार है, एंड में कोई 70 या 75 में उठा के लेके जाता है, यार 1 लाख वाला बोलता है यार मेरी कहाँ गलती हो गई, मैंने क्या कर दिया, मैं तो क्वालिटी दे रहा था. You cannot prove the quality, but you can definitely prove your quality only when you do something creative, and that can happen only with your presentations. Like what we discussed, if we have a very good crew who can create a nice presentation, who can do a better planning for an event, which can be shown to a client, becomes much easier. I don't know how many people do that, but have you shared presentations with your client? Please don't do that. Show it to them. Take it back. पैसा दो, presentation भेज देते हैं. But generally what we do is the same presentation goes to somebody else. ये कितने में देगा? But if you have really good presentation, we can use 3D Max, we can use a lot of other softwares where we can create a fantastic replica of what we are going to do in the events. And if the client likes it, definitely they're going to pay you more. That is how we are surviving in market for 20-25 years, only out of presentations, creativity or something like that. Finding small event pockets. Now we don't get big events the whole year, we understand, but we have to survive. ये आगे होने वाला है कि event managers की तादाद बढ़ने वाली है. Lot of people would be coming into event. We have to be ready. हम ये तो नहीं हो सकता है कि event industry छोड़ के कोई hotel start कर दिया, we'll start doing something else. No, we are specialized into this. We have been doing it since last 20 years. We cannot suddenly change our field. But what else can we do to continue our company? How can we make sure that the company keeps running, and then in between then we keep doing the bigger events. So we have to find small event pockets, which we generally forget, or we ignore it most of the time. But one part of crew, supposingly we have 3 sets of people, a group of crew, and one group who can concentrate on the small pockets, can definitely makes a difference. We should concentrate on the small pockets, and they do a real big job. We have done small events sometimes, and definitely those clients have called us back for the bigger events. The small pockets events could be team building activities. We generally feel how much budget could be a team building activity. We have done it, and it ends up a big amount. People are spending, the corporates are spending huge on the team building activities. Outstation conferences. I'm damn sure Taj people would definitely give us a good concession, and the consultancy or a commission charges. We get some good conferences. 4 Point Sheraton, Santosh is also sitting here. I'm damn sure he'll give us some good discounts when we go to Nasik. Training sessions are very much in. People want big speakers. People want trainers to come to their corporate offices to give trainings, and trust me, it's a really good business. On a very regular scale, corporates do that, and if you start doing it, it's a regular business, because it's a hassle-free business. You don't have to do much. You have to hire a trainer, make sure the trainer reaches the place, gets all those things what he requires. And because it's most of the time happens either in a hotel or the company itself, there's less of setup remaining. So the profit margins are comparatively very high when it comes to such kind of thing. Farmhouse parties. People spend a lot on farmhouse parties. Nowadays. And this trend has started after the lockdowns, after the corona. We had some of our clients जिनके wedding में 25,000 30,000 लोग आते थे, बसें भर के. कुछ politicians थे तो वहाँ पे local buses में बहुत आते थे, but they are getting married in 800 people now, maximum 1,000 people, that is, and they are happy कि हम सबको attend कर पा रहे हैं. कौन खाना खाया, नहीं खाया, कैसा लगा, कितना अच्छा लगा, बहुत दिन बाद मिले, तो ये होने लगा है. That started happening. Now in farmhouses, there are small and big farmhouses where weddings are happening, anniversaries are happening. They want that thing to decorate it. A farmhouse party or a farmhouse event does not mean they want to cut down in their cost. It means that they don't want to call too many people in the event, but they definitely want to enjoy the best of it. They will definitely spend on it. They can decorate it. They want all those amenities. They want everything. And of course, you're booking the farmhouse also, so it's one part of it. Cozy small weddings. I gave you a small example. Small weddings, fantastic business. Fantastic business. For now, Chetan is here. Chetan is heading the wedding department, Mesmerize Creation. We do almost 200 to 225 weddings a year. Small and big weddings. And trust me, the hassle-free weddings, 100% advance 1 week before. That's our working strategy, and people pay it. People pay all such. So even if you look at it, the kind of efforts you are putting and the events you're doing, your turnover is much better. A big event will take up your 1 month. In 1 month, you can do at least 10 small weddings or small events. So small weddings is also one part of it. Family events. Now there are good family events happening. A lot of events are happening in their bungalows or their farmhouses or other places, for which they want to spend a humongous amount. We recently did in the month of May, rather not recently, last year we did for one of our clients, where it was a family get together. May महीने में बच्चों के बच्चे, बेटियों के बच्चे, सब लोग एक साथ जमा होते हैं, and then we want to enjoy. For that, they had called DJ Chetas. So VTX Line Array was 11 people event. Trust me. DJ Chetas was there. 11 लोगों के लिए VTX Line Array लगी थी. हाँ, huge cocktail type of setup, then different दिन में there was a carnival party, pool में enjoy कर रहे हैं, humongous. They want to enjoy. And even small family party, you do it, whatever your budget is, or their budget it, but these people end up giving you big events. So that's one big part of it. चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और सोशल मीडिया की क्वालिटी लीड्स पर कभी संदेह नहीं करते. I don't know how many people are concentrating on the advertising for their company. Absolutely, yes. We are in a race. Anybody who's not advertising or is not on social media, you're no good. We realized it quite late actually. We are a little orthodox company. We don't want to showcase what we did on social media because वो copy हो जाता है. एक बहुत बड़ा example है. We did event together in Kolhapur, and the photos were used by the local vendors and lot of other vendors, and it was on their Facebook. बाकायदा कि उन्होंने event किया है, हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. And वो आज तक वो photos use कर रहे हैं. Later, one of the weddings, the bride said, "Can you share your social media profile?" This is long back. I said, "Yes, we can do it." I said, "आपके बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें post नहीं है." I said, "नहीं, ये तो बहुत है. I can show you the photographs, but we don't generally post it. We are a little orthodox type of company." No, we wanted somebody like that. Then we realized, no, we have to be on social media, and it works. And we started getting good queries. Big, small, all events, and the explanation is much easier. Share me your profile, please send your Insta link. सब काम हो जाता है. बिना मार्केटिंग के ना आलू बिकेगा ना कांदा. आज के टाइम पे बॉस यही चलने वाला है. You have to make sure that you please start working on the marketing. Nothing else will work. We were talking, we cannot be Pushpa. झुकेगा नहीं साला. You have to be little flexible. होता है वेडिंग्स, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है वेडिंग्स हमने पूरा सफेद कर दिया एंड समबडी कहता है सफेद नहीं चाहिए पीला कर दो, मैं चाचा हूं दूल्हे का, यू कैन से नो, अभी पीला कैसे करेगा, लग गए सब सफेद. इफ आई से एरोगेंटली नहीं होगा, he'll make फर्स्ट, उसमें कुछ तो होगा, कहीं ना कहीं दबाव में आके लड़के के पिता को या लड़की के पिता को एक 50-60 हजार रुपए का मेरा काटना पड़ेगा. आई से सर मैं एक 10 मिनट दीजिए, मैं पूछ के आता हूं किसने सफेद किया है, या तो मैं नहीं आऊंगा वापस, और आ भी गया तो देन आई विल से सर ये तो दूल्हे ने बोला था या दूल्हे के जीजा जी ने बोला था. वो दुखती लगे ना, जीजा जी को कौन टाल सकता है, फिर वो हो जाता है शॉर्ट. फूफा जी वो तो उनकी तो बात ही निराली है, पर मेजर काम फूफा जी बिगाड़ते हैं हर फंक्शन में. So don't be like Pushpa, be a little flexible. Collaboration is what we were discussing. It's really important. We are absolutely for no reason, we are competing with each other when we can do better job with collaborating. There are a lot of good people who are very good in designing, but when it comes to production, somebody else is good. Why can't you collaborate and do a business? Why leave a job to somebody else when you can collaborate and do it? एक इवेंट में 10 रुपए मिलने वाला था, 2 इवेंट में मिला कि आपको 10 मिलेगा, पर आप घर पे तो बैठ के नहीं रहोगे, तीसरा आदमी काम करके जा रहा है. Don't do that. Collaborate and start working. Now it could, I'm just saying, wedding, for wedding designer and production company, you can do it for a corporate event. Somebody can be a good content designer, somebody can be a good presenter, or maybe somebody else's client and somebody else can do the production, and still you can run the business. And trust me, it works like that. And future, if you want to survive in a bigger market with a bigger competition, we have to start collaborating with each other. And trust me, it's a very good place right now, such a good this thing where we can do a lot of networking and such kind of things, collaborations can happen. I'm so sorry, I'm going to take 5 minutes more. मेरा हक बनता है अभी. मेरे 15 मिनट सब लोगों ने चुरा लिए 5-5 मिनट करके. Okay, this is the last. बिना बजट किए इवेंट नहीं करना था. वो लाल बटन था ना जो वो प्लेन में जबरदस्ती का आप दबा देते हो, ये वो है. How many people have come back? I mean, this is one of my subjects in my classroom, estimation and budgeting. We give an estimate, client negotiates, we come back, we do the event. How many times have you done the budgeting before you do the event? And you said, going back to the client, I'm so sorry sir, हमसे ना हो पाएगा. Lot of time we have done the event and we have ended up either not making money or in losses. Because vendors को तो हम नहीं बोल सकते, बॉस मैंने कम में उठाया कम में कर दे. कितने बार गला मरोड़ोगे? इतने बार गला मरोड़ने के बाद वेंडर बोलता है भाई एक काम कर, अगली बार से इवेंट मैं ही करता हूं, तू आ जाना मेरे पास 9 से 8. It doesn't work out. So that is what we actually have to do. Make sure, please budget your events. Most of the we say these young event managers who start and shut down their company in a year's time is only because of not doing a budgeting. Just to create a profile, keep doing an event, and the market is spoiled. We have to make sure that we do a good budgeting. We said we were discussing on the panel 15% of agency fee, and सब बोलते नहीं, ज़्यादा हो गया. किसके साथ हुआ ये? 15% agency fee बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है client को, but client 10% TDS काट देता है. जो साल के एंड में मिला तो मिलेगा, अगर क्वेरी नहीं निकला तो 5% में कंपनी कैसे रन होगा? This is absolutely impossible, and this is what we exist. और उस 5 में से अगर इनकम टैक्स जाता है तो हाथ में क्या बचता है? वो इवेंट मैनेजर एक्टिवा क्यों आगे जा ही नहीं पाता? एक मॉडल ऊपर ले लेता है एक्टिवा, बट उसके आगे नहीं जा पाता. इट्स अ स्ट्रगलिंग लाइफ. बहुत बार आई गॉट, जैसे इन लोगों के स्पीकर्स के साथ हुआ कि शादी के टाइम पे प्रॉब्लम. मेरे भी, माई वाइफ इज फ्रॉम अहमदनगर, बहुत दूर से नहीं है. मेरे तो ससुर जी को आज तक नहीं समझ रहा है मैं क्या करूं. There's a different case. But when it comes to events, they think कि हाँ event रोज थोड़ी होते हैं, कमाते कैसे हो, उनका सोचना है कभी कभार इवेंट होता है, घर कैसे चलेगा. बट that's how we have to maintain our profit. If we are not doing that, we are doing a mistake. So I don't want to take too much of your time, so my PPT is over. Question and answer. If you have any questions, we can discuss that. Yes.
Hello, sir. You just explain that कि जो अपकमिंग टाइम में इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के हम लोग अलग अलग ऑप्शंस देख रहे हैं कि छोटे इवेंट्स बड़े इवेंट्स सब करना चाहिए. और फर्स्ट आपने बताया कि जो बेबी ब्लूमर्स हैं, जो आपने अभी बोला कि जो न्यू कमर्स होते हैं प्रोफाइल बनाते हैं और 1 साल के अंदर बंद कर देते हैं. सो विथ ऑल द ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आई एम ऑल्सो एजुकेशनिस्ट, आई एम एसोसिएटेड विथ राइसोनी ग्रुप एंड आई एम एजुकेटिंग द स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट इवेंट मैनेजमेंट. आर वी नॉट पीपल दोज हु आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस, ऑल द रिस्पेक्ट इंस्टीट्यूट जिनकी नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस है, एक एक बैच में 100 स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ कोर्सेज, तो आर वी एक्चुअली बिल्डिंग अ इवेंट मैनेजर? दे आर ओनली बिल्डिंग द वॉलंटियर्स एंड द स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो टेकिंग एडमिशन इन फैंसी इंस्टीट्यूट जस्ट बिकॉज दे वांट टू डू द एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी इवेंट्स जहाँ पे सेलिब्रिटीज आएंगे, कॉन्सर्ट्स आएंगे. तो जब आप इतने नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स में बच्चों को बोल दोगे सिर्फ कि इवेंट मैनेजमेंट की डिग्री दे दी, तो फाइनली 1 साल 2 साल इवेंट्स करने के बाद तो उनको लगेगा कि चलो इवेंट कंपनी स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. और बहुत इजीली वॉलंटियर्स अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फैंसी डिग्री ऑफ द फैंसी इंस्टीट्यूट. जो हम बोल रहे हैं कि वेंडर्स बोलते हैं कि हम मैनेज कर लेंगे, तो वो वेंडर्स को भी उनका ही सपोर्ट मिलता है. उनको पता है कि यही 4 फ्रीलांसर्स को उठाएंगे और इवेंट्स करेंगे, सो दे आर डूइंग ऑल द सेम थिंग्स. तो हमने वहाँ पे कोई क्राइटेरिया सेट नहीं करने चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट ग्रेजुएट जो होगा वही इवेंट मैनेजमेंट परस्यू कर सकता है, या जैसे नेट सेट की एग्जाम्स होती है, आप वो पास आउट करोगे देन ओनली यू कैन परस्यू इवेंट मैनेजमेंट, बिकॉज दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द सीरियसनेस ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. Nowadays they are running for the event management क्योंकि फैंसी है, बड़े इवेंट्स दिखेंगे, सेलिब्रिटीज दिखेंगे, डेस्टिनेशंस करने के लिए, ओनली फॉर दैट पर्पज एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट्स परसुइंग दैट. बट जब एक्चुअली सर पे पड़ता है तो कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं.
नहीं, आई विल टेल यू द अदर वे अराउंड. अगर आप कैलकुलेट करें इवेंट मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टूडेंट्स और मेडिकल के स्टूडेंट्स, तो शायद मेडिकल के स्टूडेंट्स ज्यादा हैं इंडिया में, एंड फिर भी डॉक्टर कम पढ़ रहे हैं. सो आबादी बढ़ने वाली है, इवेंट मैनेजर्स की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है और पड़ती रही है. ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू टीच देम, विच आई कीप डूइंग टू ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज डू नॉट स्टार्ट योर कंपनी इंस्टेंटली. प्लीज वर्क विद अ गुड इवेंट मैनेजर. Learn from him for a good time, 4 to 5 years. Live example, Chetan is with me. Miss Sanat knows him quite well. He's worked with me for 5 years, 6 years. Very hard working guy. Then I realized somebody who can run my hard earned company or hard made company, I have to give it to somebody else or hand over it to somebody else. I took him as a working partner. We both are really doing well. Now what I realized, one important thing is, अगर मैं शायद चेतन को छोड़ देता तो मैं एक बहुत अच्छा इवेंट मैनेजर अपने ही कंपटीशन में क्रिएट कर रहा था. Instead I preferred him to be my partner because I am keeping the talent with me. One, second, he knows my working style, my company style, so he's there. Similarly, if we teach our students that you cannot start a company instantly because you are not magicians, you are event managers. You have to work with a company for a good time. Once you realize, yes, you have reached at a level where you can start a company, then it's a story. Then you can start your company. And trust me, there is a huge work. There are a lot of work. हम बहुत बार छोड़ रहे हैं काम. बहुत सारे आप लोगों का भी होगा कि वो छोड़ रहे हैं. Events will keep happening. There is a lot of events, lot of scope for everybody, and baby bloomers are going to happen. We cannot stop them. Yes, anybody else? There was one more hand upstairs. Yeah.
हॅलो सर, दिस इज रेवती फ्रॉम रेवा मेहंदी आर्ट्स. जसं सकाळी अभिनव सरांनी सांगितलं होतं की त्या पझलमधले जे छोटे छोटे पीसेस आहेत त्यापैकी मी एक आहे. वेंडर्स म्हणजे आमच्याशिवाय लग्नाचे जे सगळे इव्हेंट्स असतात तो एक इव्हेंट कंप्लीट होणार नाही. तर माझा एक प्रश्न असा होता की बिईंग अ वेंडर किंवा बिईंग वन ऑफ द पार्ट टू कोलॅबरेट विथ अ इव्हेंट प्लॅनर, तर तिथे काम करत असताना मला कोलॅबरेशनमध्ये म्हणजे जसं की फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही इव्हेंट प्लॅनर आहात, वेडिंग प्लॅन करत आहात, तर तुम्ही तुमच्या कंपनी थ्रूच मला क्लायंटसमोर ठेवणार की हे आमच्याकडनं मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट आहेत, की मी स्वतः क्लायंटसोबत डील करायला पाहिजे? व्हॉट इज बेस्ट फॉर मी?
See, I'll tell you very simple example. Very simple example. One of the Pandit ji few years back came and met me, gave me his card. आम्ही सगळ्या प्रकारची कार्यक्रम करतो, पूजा करतो, लग्न असू, मुंज असू, काही असो. ही एक्सप्लेन्ड एव्हरीथिंग. आय सेड, गुरुजी वेरी नाइस, बट जनरली ऐसा होता है कि हर घर में पंडित जी और फोटोग्राफर जो सदियों से चलते आ रहे हैं वही बंदे होते हैं फिक्स, बिकॉज दे नो द पीपल. नो, व्हाई डू यू रिक्वायर एन इवेंट मैनेजर टू प्रमोट यू? बोले बेटा, आजकल लड़कों को रिश्ते में या पहचान में लड़कियां नहीं मिल रही है और उनको वेबसाइट पे जाना पड़ रहा है, तो पंडित कहां से मिलेगा? सो ही थॉट ऑफ कोलैबोरेटिंग विद अस. व्हाई नॉट मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट? It's an easy way. You don't have to promote. You get easy business. You don't have to negotiate with price again and again, because I know your price. Your ticket amount becomes much easier for you. You get aram se business easier.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Anybody else? Yes.
Sir, Seema Sharma this side from MGM University. As sir said earlier that we need some value on the table for the client, but then sir you said that we need to post that new ideas on the social media where it get copied. So sir, my question is it profitable to make it secret or it is profitable to make it public, sir?
Initially it was very profitable of keeping it secret, because मैंने जो डिजाइन किया है मेरे पास ये किसी और के पास नहीं. मैं दिखाता हूँ तो मैं थोड़ा सा वाव फैक्टर में आ जाता हूँ. आई हैव सम यूनिक थिंग, बट मेरे पास की यूनिक थिंग अगर वो यूनिक ही रह जाएगी अगर मैं किसी को नहीं दिखाऊंगा और वो वापस यूज नहीं हुई तो. नाउ एरा इज, प्लीज शो व्हाट यू हैव डन. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डिस्प्ले योर वर्क, you will not get a work.
Yes.
And trust me, I'm damn sure everybody agrees to it. Very rarely it happens that you use the same design elsewhere. Most of the time people want everything new. Yes, have you done?
Sir?
Yeah.
Hi, Shrishti here. Sir?
Sorry.
As I said, we should be adapting to the ever-changing market and how the things are upgrading so fast. So if you look at like post-lockdown, things have drastically changed.
Yes.
One of the factors that we consider, and I'm not talking just about advertising market, in terms of innovation technology, in terms of AI, in terms of the climate, in terms of how do we deal with our clients, their mindset, that now they're coming up with a mood board. So there are so many factors and it's changing so dramatically. How do we keep up with all those? Because the source of knowledge is very limited in our field.
No, it's not like that. I mean, it will stay limited if you stay in your event only. If you don't visit to your friend's event, somebody else's event, or such kind of conclaves, such kind of exhibitions or expos. There are a lot of expos which are there, which may not be related to event, but not exactly for event management, but related to events. Could be for tents, could be for catering, could be for Infocom, for LED Palm Expo, for technicals. If you keep visiting all this, you will definitely get this thing upgraded. And of course, Google is the best friend for us. आप जो सर्च करोगे वही आपको दिखेगा. इफ यू कीप सर्चिंग फॉर शाहरुख खान, आपको शाहरुख खान ही दिखाई देगा. आप इवेंट सर्च करते हो तो इवेंट के हर नए पहलू आपको 100% दिखते रहेंगे. यस, डन, ग्रेट, फैंटास्टिक. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you for this wonderful session, sir.